Dear students, today we will read Environment, chapter 1 of your geography. This chapter will announce to know more about the environment. So let's read and learn. Thank you.
Today we will read about environment. What is environment? Environment means anything that surrounds us like people, places, nature, etc. Environment is divided as natural, man-made and human environment. Further, natural environment is also divided as biotic and abiotic environment like living organisms and non-living organisms. Then natural environment, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. These are the four domains of the earth. Lithosphere means the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth, which is made up of rocks, minerals and covered by thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys. Landforms are found over continents and also on the ocean floor. Lithosphere is the domain which provides us forest, grassland for grazing and land for agriculture and human settlement. Hydrosphere, it is domain of water. About 71% of Earth's surface covered with water. The presence of water bodies like rivers, lakes, oceans, etc. Then about atmosphere. Atmosphere means blanket of air. It is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. It held by the gravitational force of the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. Position of atmosphere is nitrogen is of 78%, oxygen of 21% and the other gases like carbon dioxide and argon 1%. Then biosphere. Biosphere is a narrow zone contact between and interaction between lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Living beings ranging from microorganisms to human beings interacting with each other, they create biosphere. Both plants and animal kingdoms and air interact with each other to support life. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a relationship or interaction between organisms with each other and also with the physical environment in which they live. Plants, animals and human beings, they depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between organisms as well as the relation between organisms and their surroundings is called ecosystem. Ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean and even small pond and their transfer of energy and matter among the different components. Then human environment. Human beings interact with the environment and to modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and became more varied. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. They learned to grow crops, domesticate animals and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started, commerce developed, Industrial revolution enabled large scale of production. Transportation became faster. Revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. We find the social, economical, political and other conditions in which they live that gradually developed. Influenced by natural environment. Basic needs are fulfilled from the nature. Deforestation and pollution hiked in a huge manner, and we lost the balance between natural and human environment now. Nowadays, a perfect balance is highly required between the natural and human environment. We humans must learn to live and use our environment in a harmonious way. That if we save the environment, then we will have a better life to each and every species of this land, even the universe, the world. So guys, this is all about your chapter. Read well, learn well. Good luck.